Are you looking for to use ChatGPT for the first time on your mobile? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily use ChatGPT. First thing first, install the application ChatGPT on your device from the App Store. Or you can simply move into Safari and head over to the official site. For now, let me move into Safari. In the address bar, search for chatgpt.com. It will land you on the official site of ChatGPT. Once you're in this page, click on Login at the top right corner. Well, if you already have your account, then simply click on it. And if you're new to this and you do not have it, then click on Create Account. Follow the on-screen process and create one account for ChatGPT. For now, let me click on my own account that I have created before. And there you go, you have been logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, now right over here, you can ask anything in this section. And then click on Send. Now the ChatGPT can assist you in anything you want to. Let me ask something. You have to make sure to give the right prompt to ChatGPT. Once entered, tap on Send. Now wait for a while for the ChatGPT to generate all the answers for you. And there you go, all the information has been generated by the ChatGPT. You can read it from here and gain the knowledge as well. Not only this, what else you can do is click on this plus icon and tap on Photos. You can either choose from Library or from Files. Let me click on Photo Library. It will open up the gallery for you. Inside the gallery, you can select any of the photo that you want to edit. Once selected, it will be uploaded here. Now you can give any of the prompt that you want to. Let me enter, change the background of this picture and then click on Send. Now you have to wait for a while. Well, sometimes it might not work for you because you have given the wrong prompt. You have to make sure that the prompt that you have given is not violating any of the content policies. Also, you can use the microphone to give the prompt. Click on this microphone icon and click on Allow. Now you can ask them anything you want to with the help of the mic on your device. Once you're done, click on this send icon. This way they will generate the photo or give the information that you have asked. And if you click on this icon at the top left corner, all the history of the ChatGPT conversation will be shown to you. You can check them anytime you want to. So this is simply how you can use the ChatGPT in a basic form. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.